on that note, like, would you say that, like, when you're doing the writing or creating the strategy, that you use your own like personal experiences to help with it, or do you focus maybe more on, let's say, data or whatever information that the startup or corporation would give you, or is it a mix? Because that can happen too.
If you have, I mean, if I am the target audience that I'm speaking to, that always makes it a little bit easier. But one of the things that I love about what I do is that you get to inhabit different spaces, you know, and you get to try on different personas. The development of personas for your writers and your content developers is hugely important. And you're not going to necessarily fit all of the personas that you're writing for. It requires a little bit of research and empathy. But it's still, if you can have in mind the person that you are speaking to, it's going to help a lot to develop content that is polished.
Okay.
Yeah, and also, yeah, in my case or our case, you know, our team, as I said already, we always sit down with the founders and also like to talk to someone else on their team to understand really, okay, like, you know, do they all already share the same belief in the story, you know, that they have for themselves, and then, of course, personal experience or, well, my personal point of view always has an influence of what we deliver as a service or product for a client, of course. But at the same time, you want to, rather leverage empathy and try to look at it from someone else's point of view. So this is also the fun part of the job, you know, to not just try to come up with solutions for our clients where it would serve me the best, but actually, as I said, it must serve them and their target audience, and in that sense, their customers the best way, right? And that's why, you know, I'm just very passionate about tech and startups and the way how it can change the world, hopefully for the better. And in that sense, I also love to just try to be in someone else's shoes and understand their business and, you know, where they're coming from, what they're trying to accomplish, from different angles than just myself. But I guess it helps to do our job, I guess, if you're open to that and try to look at it from different perspectives. Because otherwise, if you just try to push your blueprint, it won't work. You know, that's why the work is very manual and very tailor-made in the end. So always.